everybody, it's Shauna. Welcome back to my channel. And today I am going to do a trunk club unboxing. Now I haven't completely loved my trunk club boxes and I declined a few as a matter of fact before I got this one. I gave very specific instructions. I said I want casual, not sweatpants and hoodies, although I really like those. I wanted backyard barbecue, go to a baseball game casual, and I feel like Trunk Club has a hard time with casual. I don't have a million weddings I go to. I don't need that dressy of clothes for the summer. I need casual, comfortable barbecue type clothes. So I think this trunk, at least from the preview, looked better, so I got it. It is a huge box. I've never gotten a box this big from Trunk Club. So I'm looking forward to trying everything on. I don't need to go through it. There's tons of stuff in here. I'm gonna get straight to the try-ons. Okay, I'll be right back. Okay, here's the first dress. And it's a maxi dress. And the first thing is, it's just way too big. It's an extra large. And either, I thought I sized down to a large, but maybe not in dresses. So I'll have to look at my profile. It's crocheted maxi dress. Like, it's kind of knit, but it's way too big. There's so much. You can see my bra all over the place. It's so big. I don't know about this style of dresses. I mean, I think they can be flattering. I don't know. I like yellow. I'm not sure this is really me. It kind of looks sackish. It's hard to tell. Like, maybe if it fit more form-fitted, that I would like it better. It's hard to tell like this. But I'm not also in love with it. I think I might get hot with it being crocheted. I don't know. Tell me what you think. Should I risk trying to get a smaller size? I'm not sure. I love it. Okay, here's the next dress, and it is an actual wrap dress. And I think it looks teal on camera, but it's really a nice green color. And it's got little ruffles and little ruffly sleeves, but I think it's a little too big. Not big like the last one, but it could be a size down. But what do you think? It's all like flowy and ruffly, and it could be really fun. Depends on the price, I think. I like this one. I think it's when it's a little bit longer in the back. It's just a little bit loose in here, but I think this could be flattering on a lot of bodies. Okay, here's another dress. And I saw this in the preview and I thought, oh, no, that's not gonna be cute. I think it's really cute. Now, again, I clearly didn't size down because this is too big as well, but this is much cuter than I thought it would be. It's navy with these little gold and pink stripes, and it's tacked here so it won't come over or come open, show off the ladies. The arms are way cuter than I thought. It's a maxi dress with slits on either side. Where are you? There you go. It has pockets. It's soft, it's flowy. I think it would breathe well for summer. I could slip this on and go to the beach. It's like a cover-up even. Like, this is so cute. I hope the price is good. I know I'm putting it down on the screen so you know before I do, because I didn't look at prices just so I wasn't tainted. So, I kind of like it. I definitely would have to size down. But I like this one a lot better than I thought. Let me know what you think. Okay, I was really excited about this dress, but again, we know it's too big. And I don't know, it's cream, it's linen. I love the buttons down the front. I love the straps. I think maybe if it was tighter, it could be cute, but I don't know if the skirt's really full enough. Does it look like the slip that they used to wear under their dresses in like old-time westerns? I don't know, the back is cute with the elastic. Oh, it's a little see-through. You'd have to wear, like, be real aware of your undergarments. And then if you sweat in it a little bit, you would be naked. That's all there is to it. You would just be naked. There are pockets. It has the potential of being a really cute dress, and maybe it could be cute on somebody, but I don't know. It could be real cute. I love how it's like gathered here to be really flattering on the ladies, but I just don't know if it's because it's too big or just the cut is not quite right, but oh, I really wanted this one to work. All right. Okay, I saw this one in the preview and I thought, oh, I don't know about strapless. I mean, any age can wear strapless, but I'm not sure that I'm prepared for strapless, but this is so cute. I think the color is fun. It is this great green color. It's got stretchy here. It's got a mega slit up one side that is so cute. Let me back up a little. That is so cute. It's soft. It's like knit or like t-shirt material, but I will let you in to the man behind the curtain. I totally had my daughter like use a scrunchie to make it smaller so it fits, so I could tell whether I should get it in a smaller size or not. But oh my gosh, tell me what you think about this. Am I crazy? Could I pull off a strapless dress? Could I rock it? I think I'd have to get 2 sizes down on this one, but it is pretty stinking cute. Okay, I have 3 things on this time. I have this cute orange shirt. It's better than I thought, although when's my baby due? I think it's a little maternity. Even though it fits well, it fits up here and it's long, I just think maybe it's a little too maternity cut for me. But I think it is cute and I like the color. It is a little kind of East Indian kind of look, which I really like, with these cute little embroidered designs on them. Okay, I also tried on these jeans, which I think the length is good and the color is good and the fit and everything here is good. They're pull-on and I don't know if I love that. And the fit is weird. They're real loose back here, but they fit everywhere else. So they're kind of a weird cut for me. So I do think they're sized correctly. I just think it's not really the right fit for me. And then the last thing are these Steve Madden sandals. And they're nothing special, but they're really cute. So if they're a good price, then I might get them. They're just standard brown sandals. And again, I could use them for dressing up a dress, but I just bought a bunch of clogs. So I don't know if I need more sandals, but they are really cute. Okay, here's the sandals. They're cute, they're standard. They're pretty comfy. I like them, just a nice leather. I could wear these like crazy, I'm sure. So it just depends on the price. Okay, check out this cute outfit. These are adorable olive green, stretchy pants, high-rise ankle skimmer ab solution by Wit and Wisdom. Olive pants, right at the ankle. They fit pretty well. They also sent this brown skinny belt that is really cute as well. I don't know if I have like a brown skinny. I have kind of a brown thick belt, so this is cute. And the shirt's pretty cute too, great for summer. And it's stretchy but linen, and it has a little, it's see-through obviously, but it has like a little like pinstripe pattern, but it's white on white, so it's not super noticeable on camera. But let me know what you guys think about this. It's that fabric that is just gonna look wrinkly all the time, so I get a little scared of that I'll have to kind of do some maintenance there, but it wouldn't be the end of the world. It would be light and great for summer. It would go tons of jeans and shorts and be super versatile. Same with the belt. The pants are really cute too. I don't know if I'm in love with them, but there's nothing wrong with them. I just don't put them on and be like, I look good. But that doesn't mean they look bad. They're just, I don't know, let me know what you think about them. Are they real fabulous or they're just green pants. All right. Okay, here's the last item, and it may be the only thing I get actually, is I love this tank top. It's knit. It's a knit tank top with yellow stripes. It has a cute little gathering in the back. I think it's white and gold. It has little slits in the side. It's totally me. It fits good. It makes the ladies look good. Let me know what you think. Okay, I tried everything on. It's bedtime for mama, and I need your guys' help because I don't know what to do. I think the Steve Madden shoes are adorable. 60 bucks is not a terrible price. I would wear the heck out of them, but do I need them? Okay, I loved the green strapless dress, and it's a really good price, $59, but how often am I gonna wear a strapless dress? Like, it would have to be pretty exceptional. I'm not just gonna be flaunting around the neighborhood in my strapless dress with my kids in tow, right? Ugh, but it's so cute. Do I go out on a limb? And it's a pretty good price. Okay. The belt is adorable. $29, I think it was. I don't need a belt. I don't have this color, but it's a nice belt by Halogen, and I could definitely use it. I really love this blue maxi dress. I thought it was way better than I thought. I looked online to see if I could size it down, and they don't have the smaller size. It's $89. It's a little bit steep. Was it that too big? It was a large, which is funny because I got a lot of my dresses in extra large and my shirts in a medium, so my profile must be really messed up. Do I keep this? The green pants grew on me the more I wore them. They're really soft. I think I would have to get a size down just because they're so stretchy, that I think that they would get baggy quick. But they're really soft and great color, and the cut was good. These are 68. I mean, you can definitely find cheaper pants, but it's not terrible. These kind of grew on me. Okay. And this yellow and white striped tank top I thought was so cute and so casual and perfect how I described what I was looking for in casual. $59 is way too much for a tank top. $59 is way too much for a tank top. No matter how much I love it, I can't do it. I can't do it. I thought this would be the one, but I can't spend $59 on a tank top. And then last but not least, this white shirt would be so versatile, so cute, great for summer. I think I would be battling the wrinkles nonstop. I just don't think it would be worth it. I got a lot of other great dresses. They were all about $89 if I remember correctly, and they were all too big. So if you thought any of them were amazing, let me know, and I can maybe get them in a smaller size. But at this point, I don't know what to do. Help me. All right, if you like this video, give it a thumbs up. If you want to hit the bell to get notified when I post new videos and subscribe, that would be great. Thanks so much for watching. Have a great one. Bye.